Hello, good morning everyone. My name is Malathi Mohanasundram and I am honored to present my final year project 1, the Alert Emergency Management System AEMS. This project represents the culmination of my Bachelor of Computer Science Software Engineering studies at University Technology Malaysia. What is Alert Emergency Management System? Do you know about that? Okay, let me introduce. Emergencies are unpredictable and managing them efficiently can save lives and reduce losses. In Malaysia, frequent occurrences such as floods, vehicular accident and health risks highlight the urgent need for more effective emergency response system. Traditional systems face delays and inefficiencies which often result in criminal resources being misallocated or response time being prolonged. Example of emergency, we can see that 85% from statistic that we having a lot of problem in Malaysia. Let's go to the introduction to AIMS. The Alert Emergency Management System AIMS is designed to address these challenges. It's a centralized web-based platform leveraging technologies like PHP, MySQL and relocation APIs. AIMS allows users to report incidents in real time, which authorities can track and prioritize these incidents, ensuring efficient resource allocation. This result is a seamless connection between user and responders. What are the problem statements in this project? Traditional emergency system really heavily on manual reporting methods such as phone calls. There are some challenges include: first, delays in communication due to lack of centralized system. Second, difficulty identify authorized to contact. Third, absence of prioritization leading to inefficient response. For example, during floods, emergency services might attend to non-critical cases first, delaying help for life-threatening situations. This mismanagement impacts public safety and increases stress on responders. What is the project aim? The aim of the Alert Emergency Management System is to create a reliable and intuitive platform that revolutionizes emergency management in Malaysia. Specifically, it seeks to first, enable real-time reporting and tracking of incidents. Second, facilitate communication between user, authorized and responders. Third, implement geolocation for accurate tracking. Fourth, introduce incident prioritization based on severity. Fourth, provide secure user account management for history tracking. Let's see what are the project objectives. To achieve this aim, Alert Emergency Management System focus on 5 core objectives. First, real-time incident reporting to reduce delays. Second, efficiency communication through instant notifications. Third, categorization of incident by severity of prioritization. Fourth, accurate geolocation mapping to assist responders. 5. User account management for easy tracking of report and updates. Let's go to the literature review chapter 2. Now, let me compare two systems that MERS 999 and eBencana. Now, let's talk about MERS 999. Today I will talking about the National Lifeline in Malaysia, the Malaysian Emergency Response Service or MERS 999. This service plays a crucial role in ensuring public safety and providing quick assistance during emergency. MERS 999 is Malaysia's centralized emergency response system. It integrates four key agencies: the police, the fire, the medical service, and civil defense. This single number simplifies emergency reporting and ensures a coordinated response from the agency. Now, however, it's like any system, MERS 999 has its challenges. First, limited digital features. In today's digital world, the system lacks advanced tools such as real-time tracking or mobile app integration. Second, communication bottlenecks. At times, that can be delayed in dispatching resources due to high call volumes. Here we have a process flow diagram that illustrates how MERS operate. First, make a call, then operator gather information and identify the approaches agency. Finally, the emergency is relayed on the relevant responders who are dispatched to the location. To enhance its effective, MERS 999 could introduce a mobile app with real-time tracking and GPS integration, or implement AI-driven call management to handle high call volumes more efficiently, or expand public awareness campaign to educate citizens about proper emergency reporting. In conclusion, MERS 999 is an invaluable service that saves countless lives, which is at its limitation. There is great potential for improvement with the adoption of modern technology. Let's continue to support and enhance this system for Saver Malaysia. So let's talk about e-Bencana system. E-Bencana system is specially created for Kelantan people. Today I will be talking about an important instance focused on disaster management in Kelantan. This system, often supported by the e-Bencana portal, is essential for providing real-time updates and managing emergency, especially during flood seasons. This disaster management system in Kelantan prioritize real-time updates on floods and other emergency. It integrates meteorological data to ensure timely information is available to affected communities. This approach is crucial, especially in a religion-prone and seasonable floods and other natural disasters. Let's start with strengths. It also got localized disasters focus and integration with microtical data. However, there are areas that need improvement. First, limited scope. The system mainly focuses on flood and lacks a broader disaster management framework. Second, lack of multi-agency coordination. Example, unlike other comparative systems, this one doesn't integrate various emergency service for more unfired response. Here we have some of the e-Bencana screenshots that I have been put in my report. Monitoring flood level, sharing evaluation notice, or providing real-time updates on residents' emergency system. For further enhanced disaster management in Kelantan, the system could expand its scope to include on other type of disasters such as landslide or droughts. Integrate with emergency service for multi-agency approach. Other than that, develop a mobile app for easier access to updates and alert. In conclusion, the disaster management system in Kelantan is a vital tool providing lives and property, while it's also got its weakness and it's more effective also. Now let's talk about chapter 3, methodology. AIMS development follows the agile methodology that you can see over here, chosen for its flexibility and interactive nature. Agile drives the project into short cycle called sprint, specially lasting 1 to 4 weeks. Each sprint focuses on specific tasks such as development, testing, or deployment. Regular feedback section ensures that system meets stakeholder expectation and adapt to any new requirements. First, let's go to requirement base. This requirement base focus on establishing a comprehensive understanding of the emergency management system needs in Malaysia. During this phase, the project team conduct extensive research into current emergency management challenges, including manual reporting system, delayed response, and lack of centralization. Through Google Form surveys and stakeholders interviews, the team gathered specific requirements for real-time reporting capabilities, incidents categorization needs, and location features. This phase was crucial in identifying the system core requirements such as supporting various emergency types including accidents, criminal activities, medical incident, or while ensuring would efficiency address. Now let's go to the chapter 4. In chapter 4, in use case actor, we using admin, agency, and user. You can see the use case diagram. They are admin, agency, and user. For admin, they can register, login, they can manage agency, they can manage emergency, they can manage view emergency report, they can manage report emergency. They also view emergency history, emergency, and managing admin account, and they can view profile. As for agency, they can register, login, and they can view emergency report, and they can manage report emergency, and they can also view report history emergency, and lastly they can view profile. Furthermore, for the user, they can register, they can log in, and they can manage view emergency report, and they also can manage report emergency, they can view report history emergency, and they can view their profile. This is my use case diagram for my alert emergency management system. Now let's go to the UML diagram. If you can see here, I got the 5 entity that admin, user, agency, emergency, and emergency type. For the emergency, the user one can report one or more emergency, and the admin can manage more than one agency, and the agency can handle one or more emergency things, and the emergency can one or more than emergency types. And this is my UML diagram, and you can see here I have been done ready. And now let me tell you our interface. So this is my first interface, that choose role interface. I have been created 4 interface for these 3 different users, that admin, agency, and user. They can log in up to their account, and you can view the agency at the down. So now this is the admin login interface, that we can put our username and password and we can log in. For this one is the agency login interface, same as the admin, and for the user admin interface, they can log in, but if they can't log in, means the user must be registered now, and they need to put their full name, email address, state username, password, and mobile number, and if must, they can put their pictures to we can identify that they are real or not, and we need to agree, then sign up, then they can log in, put their username and password, and click login. And this is my home page interface. There you can see how many emergency system and user who are in online and agency, how many we got and how many cases in pending. And here is my profile, and they can have the notification button over here, and they can view their agency over here also, and they can see how many users are in like online. For this part, this is the agency, manage agency interface, that you can see they got like all the agency over here, and this is the agency page, and you can add the agency. Here you can add the agency. You can put the agency number will be like auto, so you just put their agency number, person in charge, password, name and email, username, state and the logo and address, and just you need to click the add button only. Then here you can view, here you can add emergency types interface. Like example, we can create here I have been create something that accident, fire breaks, COVID and some more things, and we also can add any emergency categories over here to let the users easy to select over that. And here also we can see we can also view the emergency type over here, like we can put our date to date and all, and the status like pending and completed, and so all we can view from here. And this is add emergency report interface, like the user, if they got like any problem, is they must come here and add their what are the case and where are they are from, and what are the agency they need help, and what are the emergency category, and they put their phone number, date, and they need to upload any emergency like accident picture or flood picture or something, and they can put some description, and they must given some address, then they can click the send request. For here we can see the manage admin interface. Like here we need to create the admin ID and password for let them to log in. So we need to put their full name, email, username and picture, phone number, state, password, and yeah, we also given the admin ID as a primary key, and here we can put their address, so we just save, and we also can see all the admin over here. And this is the project information, like who are the developer and who create this, and we can put their contact number or their project information, or we can put like our about our system also. And that's all in the user interface. And here for PSM2, that is last part, like for planning for PSM2, I will implement my PSM1 to PSM2. I hope my alert emergency system will help out from all the problems and will help all the emergency people and that really need help, and I hope I can do in my best way. That's all, and thank you.